Students, good morning. Now we are going to start very important topic, that is location of roots. So in that location of roots, I explained 5 cases. Till 4 cases are simple cases, but from 5th to 10th cases are very important for IIT JEE mains and advance. Both it is very important. So now the 5th case which I had explained you, once I am going to give revise, and then let's see this problem asked in JEE. So JEE 1 year they asked how to deal this question. I'll explain you. So location of roots is most important topic of quadratic equation. If we completed this one, you can think that 80% of quadratic equation is completed. So let us see here now, both roots are greater than a real number k. The case number 5, if both roots are greater than a real number k, then what are the conditions? This already I explained you. Suppose there is, you have a x-axis and y-axis. One quadratic equation is going this way or in this way, or maybe it is going in this way, whatever it may be. The quadratic equation moves from here. But that's why I am just not taking the y-axis, x-axis. So this way is going, suppose. So in this way, this will be a is greater than 0. A will be what? A will be greater than 0. If a is greater than 0, hope you understand, a is greater than 0, then what I am going to get? Upwards parabola, right? Upwards parabola. Condition number 1, what I will tell you. So this can be alpha and beta are this side, that is left side. Okay, this is, you can see that k is left side. So on number line, if you see on the x-axis, alpha, beta are greater than k. That is what I have to take. If both roots are greater than k, then what is the situation happens? Either you get this formation, or you make it this way, like here. If I can say that is alpha and beta is equal here in this case, and this is k. So k times this k, for k real number, alpha and beta is greater than that. So what I am getting here, distinct roots and equal roots, both I am getting. So the condition will be d greater than or equal to 0. And one more thing, what I said, if a greater than 0, f of k is this one, positive one, f of k will be positive. So positive into positive is positive. So a into f of k will be greater than 0. Another one is, this is the vertex of b, that is vertex of this parabola, that is minus b by 2a, and this x is this will be greater than k. These are the conditions which are important to deal this question. Okay, hope you understand. This is the case number 5. So let we apply these cases so to find the answer for the below question. This is the JEE mains question. Let's see how to solve this problem. So whenever they ask you a question, x is by 3 or greater than by some number, so you have to deal the questions like this. Now let us see here, the first case I can apply, that is d greater than or equal to 0. If you observe in this case, what is the a value here? According to this, if you compare, this is px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c. But I am not taking a because this is already involved in a. So p value will be 1. P value will be what? 1. And q value will be what? Minus 6a. And what is the r value? R is the rest of these all. So now what I have to apply? D greater than or equal to 0. First case, d greater than or equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac. That is p square minus 4qr. So b square, that is this one, b square, that is minus 6a square, b square minus 4 into a is here p, that is 1 into r, that one, that is 2 minus 2a plus 9a square is greater than or equal to 0. The case number 1 I applied. Now I am going to find the value of a. Okay, so this will be 36a square minus 4 into 2 minus 2a plus 9a square greater than or equal to 0. See, this is 4 table. If I cancel 4 table, I can take common. 4 if I take common, 4 ones are 4 cancel. No, it won't be cancelled in 4. Right here, this will be cancelled, but this will be what happened here. 4 9 4s are 36, right? 9 4s are 36. Okay, Are you getting it? So this will be cancelled out. Okay, this will be cancelled out. So 9 table, if 4 if I divide 4 9s are cancel out. So this is I am taking 4 common and dividing. Okay, I hope you understand. 4 I am taking common and sending that side, divide 0. So what is left here? 9a square minus, this will be minus into this will be minus 9a square. Okay, minus into minus plus 2a minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Hope you understand this step. What I have done is this I took 4 common, so 9a square and this 4 came out, that 4 is divided here, 0 by 4 is 0, otherwise 4 I cancel. How? It is completely multiple of this and this is completely one. That's the reason I cancel. You don't do any other things. Okay, so what I am going to get here, I got this is 9a square. So 9a square, this is you got 9a square minus this is 9a square minus into minus plus this is 2a minus into that is you got. So this will be cancelled. So what I got here, 2a minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. That means what I am going to get here, 2a minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So a will be greater than or equal to 1. I got the one case, one answer I got. From one case I got one answer. Let us go for the second case. What is the second case? He said, second case is said a times of f of k. A is what here? A is 1 times of f of k. A is here positive, so that is a is 1, and f of k means if I take the what is the exceeds by which number? 3 number. So f of 3 I have to substitute. F of 3 if I substitute, what I am going to get here? 3 square 9. F of 3. Okay, this is, I'll write the situation, f of 3 greater than 0. That is f of 3 means what here? 3 square is 9 minus this I get as in the place of x is 3. 3 6 are 18a plus 2 minus 2a square 2a plus 9a square is greater than 0. We have to apply f of 3 in this and that be greater than 0. That what I am getting here, 9a square minus 20a plus 11 greater than 0 I got. So now you have to, what you have to do here, now you have to split this one and you have to find 11 9s are 99. So 99 will get in which table? Just look at that. So 99 will get in which table? That's you can see from that you get it. 11 9s are 99, that's only. So what I can write, this one is 9a square minus 11a minus 9a plus 11 is greater than or equal to 0. 11 9s are. Okay. So here what I am getting common, I am getting here 9 and a common out. So a minus 11 is left, minus 11, a minus 11 common, and minus see I don't get a common, sorry, here a is not going to, 9 is not going to get common, so only just a get common. So here a just get common, so what I get here, 9a minus 11 and minus here 1 I take common, 9a minus 11 greater than 0. So what I am going to get here, 9a minus 11 into a minus 1 greater than 0. By wavy curve method we can find this one. So this will be 11 by 9, that is 1 more than 1. Okay, more than 1. So 11 by 9 will be first and then a 1 will be later. So 11 1 I will keep here and that. So plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. According to situation, greater than means plus is the answer. So what I am going to get the answer here? I am going to get the answer. Second case I am going to get the answer, that is minus infinity to 1 and open union, and this is 11 by 9 to infinity. This is what I am getting second case. So I applied second case answer is this, first case answer is this. Now let us go for final case, that is case number 3. So we can find all the 3, then we have to do intersection of all 3. That is our answer. That's it. This is the way to deal all IIT questions of this model, and this is called location of roots we call. So now C is what? Minus b by a. Minus b by a means this is minus 6, minus into minus plus, that is 6 by a. 6 6a, that is minus b 6a by 2 into a is what here? A is 1. Okay, that is will be greater than a number, fixed number is 3. So what I am going to get here? 6a greater than 3 to the 6. So I am getting a greater than 1. So from here I am getting case number 3, a greater than 1. So I got the 3 cases. Just intersect these 3 cases. That is your final answer. Is asking to find the value of a. Okay, so what we do here, we take a number line. We'll take a number line. The case 1 is what you have here, all the things we plot here. 1 is there, 1 is there, 11 by 9 is there, 11 by 9, and you have any other numbers here? Nothing else. See, the first case is 1 to infinity, means this is 1 to infinity including 1. Okay, the second case is what? You just think like this, think this is where you can take it. Second case is what? Second case is minus infinity to 1, but here it is open. And 11 by 9 to infinity, 11 by 9 to infinity. This is second case. So this is first case, 1 to infinity. And third case is what? Again this is 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. Right. So these 3 cases, what is the intersecting point? You can see this is the intersecting point. All 3 are intersecting here. So the answer will be what? A belongs to 11 by 9 comma infinity. This is your final answer. This is the way to deal this question. Okay, let us see next concept. Now see one more question. There is here, in which interval A lies. This is not related to the location of roots, but it is, see that the question is like this: in which interval A lies, y is equal to 16x square plus 8 times of a plus 5 into x minus 7a minus 5 is strictly above the x-axis. What is saying here? If a parabola is above the x-axis, this is above the x-axis, then what, in which A lies? A lies in between which interval that happens? That is the question. So if that is, for this one, only the one thing you have to do is, only one thing you have to find is nothing but that is d less than 0. This is the condition, is d less than 0, and A is already, it is A is greater than 0. A is greater than 0, that's why I drawn the graph like this. If it is negative, I will draw downside. Okay, already it is A is a 16 number, so no need to write about that one. So now above the x-axis is said, suppose he is given here A, suppose if they given A into x square, then at that time we will write as A greater than 0, one condition will take. But if it is a number, so we will go for only d less than 0. So d less than 0 is what happens, what I am going to get here. D less than 0 means b square minus 4ac. That is, this is b, that is 8 into a plus 5. That is b square minus 4 times of a into c, that is minus 7a minus 5. This must be less than 0. So here this 8 square is equal to 64. 64 into a plus 5 whole square minus 16 4s are 64, and this minus, if I take common, minus into minus plus, 7a plus 5 is less than 0. 64 I can take out common, I can divide, 64 is divided. So if I, this one, a square plus 10a plus 25 plus 7a plus 5 is less than 0. So here I am going to get here a square plus 17a plus, this is 30 is less than 0. So you can see that 30 is which is getting here, and you can find when it is divisible. So a 30 is 6 5 is a 30, no use of 17 to get, here I have to get 17. Is that any change here? B square minus 4ac, yeah. So here we are going to get 15 to the 30, right here we can write as a square minus 15a plus 2a plus 30 is less than 0. So we can write here a common out, so a plus 15 plus 2 common out, a plus 15 is less than 0. It means a plus 15 into a plus 2 is less than 0. Remember one thing, you have a plus here means most of the chances you get both are plus. So that here what I am going to get here on the number line, if I take, this is minus infinity, this is the plus infinity, you get here minus 2 minus 15 plus minus plus. Negative is the answer. So the answer is A belongs to minus 15 comma minus 2. Suppose in this question, this is the answer for this question. Suppose this question is like this. So you have here, let us take A plus 7, suppose you have this here. And is a said same question. So in that first case should be applicable. So that answer is over. Now I am changing the question. In this case, what we will do, and we will say that then these all the things also going to be changed. So what we do, if you have like this, what we do here, we take A plus 7 greater than 0. So A greater than minus 7. And we will apply D, discriminant is less than 0, and this answer intersection we will do, that will be the final answer. So this you can do homework and send me in the class, okay, send me in the group. So you can do this problem yourself, okay. I hope you understand. Let us go for the next. Now let us see one more question based on this, because IIT asks, JEE asks these questions more frequently in JEE exam. So you can take any books and you can solve and you will get the answers. Now see here, the question is, find the value of A for which both the roots of the equation x square plus x plus a equal to 0 exceeds by a quantity A here. Quantity A is given. So let us see here. The conditions are, these are the three conditions I explained in the previous lecture. So just apply the gauges. The D greater than or equal to 0, that is B square, that is 1 square, B square minus 4 into A into C is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. What I am applying here right now I am applying here is B square minus 4AC greater than 0. This is the first condition. So what I am going to get here, 1 minus 4A greater than or equal to 0. It means this 1 send that side, okay. So if I get minus 4A greater than or equal to minus 1, if I multiply with the negative number, what I am going to get here, 4A less than or equal to 1. Inequality will change. So A will be less than or equal to 1 by 4. This is the case number 1 I am getting. Okay, from the first point I am getting this. So what I have to do, I have to apply for the second one. A means what here? 1. A means here 1. 1 into f of k. K is what here? Quantity is A. F of A. It must be what? Greater than 0. Means if I substitute A in this, must be greater than 0. So what I am getting here? A square plus A must be greater than 0. That means A square plus 2A, A square plus 2A must be greater than 0. Hope you understand. Wherever x is there, we substituting A over there. So if I take A common, what I am going to get here, A plus 2 greater than 0, we need to apply Wavy-Curve method. That's why, so most of the quadratic equation problems are solved by Wavy-Curve method. So you just draw a number line. It is a minus infinity, it is a plus infinity. Now let us plot the zeros are here. A0 is 0, here is minus 2, 0 and minus 2. Let us take plus, minus, plus. The positive is the answer. You have greater than, so positive will be the answer. So according to this, what will be the answer here? In this case, minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. This is the answer for the second case. Let's go for the third case. What you have, the case number 3. The situation number 3 says that minus b by 2a, minus b, that is minus 1 by 2. A is 1. That is greater than by a number a. That is number a is you have. So what you understand, this is minus half is greater than a. It means a is less than minus half. It means that a is less than minus half. That is what you got, case number 3. Hope you understand this. If you don't know, just do cross multiplication and do it that. You will get it. So a less than minus half. So this one, a less than 1 by 4 equal to, that is a less than minus half, and you got this one, the case 2, you got this one. So you have to do intersection of all these 3. So case 1, so 1 intersection 2 intersection 3 is my final answer, correct? So what we do here, we take a number line, right, and let me do here, okay, instead of doing that, let me do here, it will be more clear. Okay, the case number 1, is a less than or equal to 4, correct? A less than or equal to 4. So now just take a number line is a minus infinity and there's a plus infinity. The zeros I am going to plot there first of all. Here is the 0 and this is minus 2 and you have that is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4 and then you have third one is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 somewhere here. Okay. So for the first case here a less than or equal to 1 by 4. So here from here it is going and it is closed. This is the first answer. The second answer is minus infinity to minus 2. Minus infinity to minus 2, it is open. And 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. This is the case number 2. And what is the case number 3? Case number 3 is a less than minus half. Minus half is here, minus and less than. And these all three are intersecting where? Where these all three are intersecting. This is the place till minus 2. So the a belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 is your final answer. So this is the way to deal the questions of JEE. Okay, understand? Let us see the next question. Hello students, let us see here. If the case number, this is the case number 6, we are learning a case number 6. Case number 6 is both roots are less than a real number k. Both roots are less than a real number k. If both roots are less than real number k, these are the rules. What is I want to say here? This is you have. So this is x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now you have a parabola like this. Okay. So let us take whatever it is. This is alpha and this is beta. Okay. So for this one, you have a k value this side, right side. So this alpha and beta are less than k. That is what is saying. Both roots are less than a real number k. Then what happens? It may happens like this. This is k may happens in this way also. That means here the roots are this side. This is alpha and this is beta and k will be this one. Means in this case you have a is less than 0. In this case you have a greater than 0. Hope you understand what I said. Now another case can be formed how this may be parabola touching and moving here. And in this a less than 0 condition only, then here k is here, alpha and beta are equal here. And another case can be formed how this root, this is goes in this way, this is alpha. It's not necessary that I am touching here. It may be touch here, this side also. It's not on the x-axis anywhere. So here alpha is equal to beta and this can be take k. K must be in right side. Then I can say both roots are less than a real number k. So if you have in these cases, this is the location of roots. Okay, this is JEE level questions, all JEE mains and advanced. Okay, see I'll explain this quadratic equation in detail. After finishing this chapter, you are able to do any books you can solve. Okay, let's see here that the first case is d. Why d greater than or equal to 0? See one thing in location of roots, one thing remember it. If they given you condition d greater than 0, ignore it. Simply you have d greater than 0, no need to find that one. But you have a get the condition the d greater than or equal to 0, then you have to find. So that is yesterday also some cases I told you d greater than 0 came. I said no need to find. This is not necessary. I wrote in the bracket not necessary. Why I wrote not necessary? If you get d greater than 0, it is not necessary to find. Okay, d greater than or equal to 0, then you have to find. That's remember in the mind. Okay, let us see here. The case 1 is d greater than 0 and d equal to 0. Both are getting. So d greater than or equal to 0. The case number 2 is a is, this is a negative number. F of k is downwards, it is a negative, negative into negative is positive, that is a into f of k will be positive. The same thing happens here also. Okay, now the third case is k is more than the vertex. Vertex is minus b by 2a and k is more than, so k is greater than minus b by 2a, or you can write as minus b by 2a is less than k. Anything you can use this one. Okay, by this way we will find the answers. So hope you understand this condition. Let us solve a problem on this. I wrote a problem. Let's discuss a problem on this. See here, these are IIT related JEE mains and advanced questions. So that is the reason I am explaining each and everything in clear. So follow my lectures. Go through the playlist. You have all the lectures. If you missed any lecture, you can watch it again, so you will be mastered in that. Okay, see, sometimes the difficulty level questions will be there, but if you learn the difficulty, you are in the competition. Okay, let's see here now. Both the roots of a quadratic equation x square minus 2kx plus k square plus k minus 5 are less than 5. For this quadratic equation are less than 5, what is the rule? You have to find the value of k, where k is lies. Okay, that is what you have to do it. So you both roots of this, for what value of k? H has missed the question. Are less than 5, find the value of k. Answer is find. Question is find the value of k. Okay, now the case number 1 I am applying, that is d greater than or equal to 0. So d is, this is minus b, this is b, this is c, and this is 1, that is a. Okay, then we apply the condition b square minus 2k square, b square minus 4a, c is k square plus k minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So that I am getting here 4k square minus 4 times of k square plus k minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Remember one thing, whenever you have these cases into whole, 4 is there, so take 4 common and divide. That will be easiest way. So here this k square will be cancelled out. See that k square minus k plus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. This is cancelled out. So what I am going to get here, minus k is greater than or equal to minus 5. But when you have minus, you have to multiply with minus symbol. So when you multiply with a negative number, that is inequality changes. So k less than or equal to 5 is the first case I got, k less than or equal to 5. Let us go for the case number 2. What is the condition number 2? A is 1 into f of k. F of k is, what is the number? 5 given. That must be greater than 0. Means f of 5 substitute, that should be greater than 0. So 5 square, that is 25, 5 to the 10k plus k square plus k minus 5 is greater than 0. What I did here, wherever x is there, that place I substituted 5. So what I am going to get here, k square minus 9k, this is k square minus 9k, 25 minus 5 is 20 plus 20 is greater than 0. So here, what I am going to get here, 1 into 20 is there, so 20 means 5 4s are 20. So k square minus 5k minus 4k plus 20 greater than 0. So k take out common, what I am going to get here, k minus 5 minus 4 take out common, k minus 5 greater than 0. Means you are getting that factors are k minus 5 into k minus 4. And this I am going to plot on the number line. And you know this is 4 and this is 5 plus minus plus. As a baby car method, if you did not watch, go and playlist you have, you can watch there. So now you have plus and minus. So this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. The k value will be lies between where to where here. You have a greater than symbol. You see there, you have a greater than symbol. So you have a greater than symbol. Positive is the answer. That is minus infinity to 4 union 5 to infinity is the answer. So you have got the case number 2 is minus infinity to 4 union, you got here 5 to infinity. This is what you got in the case number 2. Let's see the case number 3. Let us go for the case number 3. What is the case number 3 here? Case number 3 is minus b by 2a less than k. Minus b by 2a, that is this one, minus b by, that is 2k. 2k by 2a, 2 into 1 is less than a quantity 5. So 2k is less than 10. So k is less than 5. So you got as the k less than 5 is the third one. So let us all these three just see on the number line and finalize intersection part. That will be your final answer. The first case is k5 you have here. Okay, number 5 I am taking here. Okay, let us take, this is 4. Okay, this is 4, this is 5, and any more else? Nothing. So first case you got k less than r equal to 5. So the case number 1 is less than r equal to 5, 5 also there. Second case is minus infinity to 4, okay, and 5 to infinity. This is case number 2. Case number 3, what I am getting? Case number 3 less than 5 means open bracket less than 5. So both intersecting place is this one. So the value of k will be what? K will be minus infinity to 4 open. 4 open is your answer. This is the way to find it. Okay, let us discuss few more topics and case number 6 over 7, 8, 9, 10. More 4 cases are there related to that. We will do the problems in the next lecture.